The goal of flipping edges is to make a case DF flipping or BD flipping. So first I have to flip those edges. First I will use DF algorithm to flip this one and this one. Now it has been flipped and this one has been flipped. To flip this one I have to cube rotate. Not this way but this way. I can flip B and D by mirroring the algorithm. So those two are flipped and they are now this one has been flipped with this one and this one has been flipped with this one. In this position, yellow top, blue front, this is called A, B, C, this one is C, and this one is called D, E, F, G, H, I. Now I have to make one of those cases. I already got my D, I have to flip, but A, B, C, this one I could bring up to this position, and then I could use B and D flip algorithm, and then undo my setup move. So to bring this up here, I can do half of the ABC cycle. This will swap those two pieces and those two pieces. Those are swapped and those are swapped. Now I can flip those two edges. The D one from before and the C one is brought up to here. I have to flip those two. And then undo my setup move. So to bring this one back and this one back. Setup move done, and A, B, C is now flipped, and D is also flipped. E, F, G hasn't been touched.